Hi, my name is Jacob Strassburg. We farm in Wittenberg, Wisconsin. We grow corn, soybeans, wheat, and alfalfa, and we milk about 1,500 dairy cows. We had the stock John Deere 2x2 openers that we applied 18 gallons of higher nitrogen blend fertilizer with. This will be our third year running Bandits and plan on keeping on running them. The better placement of the Bandits and also the lower maintenance cost of it. The John Deere openers were a lot of maintenance, a lot of grease points, and then also the better placement actually places the nitrogen right into the root zone rather than placing it in like a traditional 2x2 area. My favorite part's probably just that we're getting that about 55 pounds of nitrogen on at planting, and then we can kind of wait and see what happens during the growing season to see if we need to add more nitrogen or if we can just kind of hold back on that. We had about 3,000 acres on a 16-row 30-inch planter, and then that's when we changed the discs, the boots, and then all the hoses that run down to the boots. We didn't actually do like a side-by-side because we switched the whole planter over, but we did see a noticeable yield bump from the Bandits and definitely saw a benefit from it for sure.